live and direct from JKIA. That's the arrival of the body of the Prime Minister Raila Odinga. The body has already arrived at JKIA. As you can see, there is a tight security. That is a tight security. So guys, Luo people, Kenya as whole, tumeweza kupoteza one of the best and one of the politician mwenye alikuwa na safeguard constitution ya Kenya, alikuwa na safeguard even fellow Kenyans and ensuring both youths and even politicians their well-being na kila mtu ako sawa. So guys, as you know now, we have just lost one of the guy mwenye alikuwa na protect sana constitution wise, political wise, and you can see baba alikuwa one of the best and the best politician ungeweza kurelate with, ungeweza collaborate with, ungeweza kuminvolve in anything that you are doing, because this guy baba was a very nice politician. So guys, Kenya tumeweza kupoteza, and mmeweza kuona vile Kenyans wanamon na tunaendelea hivyo hadi Saturday then Sunday, the day of the burial. Yeah, so guys, keep on following the updates, keep on mourning for baba, and keep on sending your condolences to the family and the wife Ida and the Daya family. So guys, make sure you subscribe to Zaga Kenya. You'll be getting the full updates. Yeah, so RIP baba Tinga, we can say tumeweza kupoteza. Kenya now imeweza kuachwa na gap, a very big gap yenye tujui nani ataweza kufill up. But you know what, mambo ya Mungu ni ya Mungu, hatuwezi kosoa Mungu, hatuwezi tetesha Mungu. If it has happened at the right time, then we can't even judge God, you see. Yeah, kama ime happen at the right time, God's will, yeah, then who are we to judge God? Yeah, so guys, wenye walikuwa mnapenda baba, keep on mourning yaki. We mambo sasa imechemka. We just praying for Kenya. We get another opposition leader mwenye atakuwa mwenye atakuwa exact like baba. Yeah, ndo aweze kutetea our fellow Kenyans. Yeah, as you know, politics with no opposition politics hizi inafanya nini? Inabampa. That's what most of the guys say. Yeah, so politics with no opposition is not politics, but we are just praying that we get another leader like Raila, and we keep on pushing the pace. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe and share more and share more. But kama you were a baba a diehard, we lia sana, li kutoke kabisa, because hatuna la kufanya, unaona? Yeah, so that's it. The body has already arrived. We are waiting for tomorrow to be taken at the Lee, but before that there will be body viewing. People will get a chance to view the body and then proceed to Lee. Then later on at his home Karen. Yeah, so that's the procedure. Then on Sunday straight to Bondo. Yeah.